this. It's February 20th, 2011, and we live about 25 miles south of Minneapolis, and this is our next big snowstorm. Craziness, huh? So if you are in sunny California or Florida or Arizona or even Texas, I know you are having nice warm weather. This is what we are working on right now. I'll just bring you guys outside here for a second. It just got so windy and snowy, and you can just see how high our snowdrifts are. Our driveway was clear this morning, and there was a lot less snow, and you can kind of see the areas around the trees. Those were all melted, and it's just crazy. We're supposed to get 8 more hours of this. So enjoy your warm weather. We're gonna huddle inside.